The Egyptian civilization flourished in the fertile Nile River valley. This remarkable culture emerged around 3150 BC. It thrived for centuries, leaving behind a legacy that continues to captivate the world. The Nile River was the lifeline of ancient Egypt. Its annual floods deposited nutrient-rich silt along its banks. This created ideal conditions for agriculture. The Egyptians settled along the Nile, drawn to its life-giving waters. The river provided sustenance and facilitated transportation. It became the heart of their civilization, shaping their beliefs and way of life. The Egyptians developed a deep reverence for the Nile. They recognized its power and the bounty it provided. This reverence is evident in their mythology and religious practices. The Nile was personified as the god Hapi, who brought fertility and abundance to the land. The Egyptians carefully observed the river's cycles. They learned to predict and manage its floods. This understanding of the Nile's rhythms was crucial to their survival and prosperity. The Nile River was the backbone of the Egyptian economy. Its annual floods, while sometimes destructive, brought life to the arid land. The fertile silt deposited by the river allowed farmers to cultivate a variety of crops. These crops, including wheat, barley, and flax, formed the staple diet of the ancient Egyptians. The Egyptians developed sophisticated irrigation systems to maximize the Nile's bounty. They constructed canals, dikes, and basins to control the flow of water. This allowed them to irrigate their fields throughout the year. This mastery of water management was a testament to their ingenuity. The abundance of food produced through their advanced agricultural practices supported a growing population. This led to the development of specialized labor and the rise of cities and towns. The surplus also facilitated trade with neighboring civilizations. The pyramids of Giza stand as enduring symbols of ancient Egyptian civilization. These colossal structures were built as tombs for pharaohs. Pharaohs were considered divine rulers, believed to possess absolute power. The pyramids were intended to ensure their safe passage to the afterlife. The most famous pyramids are located at Giza, on the outskirts of modern-day Cairo. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built by Pharaoh Khufu, is the largest and most impressive. It was a marvel of engineering and a testament to the organizational skills of the ancient Egyptians. The pyramids were constructed using massive blocks of stone. These blocks were quarried, transported, and lifted into place with remarkable precision. The exact methods used to build the pyramids remain a subject of debate. However, it is clear that they required immense manpower and sophisticated knowledge of mathematics, astronomy, and engineering. The pyramids were not merely tombs but also expressions of royal power and religious beliefs. Section 4. Pharaohs of Legend Nefertiti and Tutankhamun. Queen Nefertiti and King Tutankhamun are two of the most famous figures from ancient Egypt. Their reigns marked a period of significant change and upheaval. Nefertiti was the wife of Pharaoh Akhenaten, who attempted to revolutionize Egyptian religion. He introduced the worship of Aten, the sun disk, as the sole deity. Nefertiti played an active role in her husband's religious reforms. She is often depicted in sculptures and reliefs alongside Akhenaten, suggesting her prominent position. Her legacy remains shrouded in mystery. However, she is remembered for her beauty and her role in one of the most fascinating periods of ancient Egyptian history. Tutankhamun, more commonly known as King Tut, ascended the throne after Akhenaten's death. He reversed many of his predecessors' religious changes. Tutankhamun's reign was relatively short. He died at the age of 19. However, his tomb, discovered in 1922 by Howard Carter, yielded a treasure trove of artifacts. Section 5. Enduring Legacies, Contributions of the Egyptian Civilization. The Egyptian civilization made significant contributions to human knowledge and culture. Their advancements in writing, medicine, astronomy, and mathematics had a lasting impact on the ancient world. The Egyptians developed a system of writing known as hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphs were a combination of logographic. They were used to record a wide range of information, from religious texts and royal decrees to everyday matters. Egyptian physicians were renowned for their healing skills. They developed a sophisticated understanding of anatomy, surgery, and pharmaceuticals. Egyptian astronomers made careful observations of the night sky. They developed a calendar based on the solar year. This calendar was remarkably accurate. The Egyptians also made significant strides in mathematics. They developed a decimal system and were skilled in geometry and arithmetic. The legacy of ancient Egypt continues to inspire and intrigue us today. Their monuments, art, and innovations serve as a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring power of civilization.